Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you the jailbreak of iOS 12.2. Just before 15 days, the Chimera and the Uncovered jailbreak has been released, the iOS 12.2 jailbreak. I'm going to show you my actual software version. So it's a 12.2 16.8227. So you know jailbreak very well, because in this world if you have an iPhone, it's the most powerful device I have ever seen, and after jailbreaking it, oh, it's awesome. So let's do it without wasting your time. So first you have to go to Safari and you have to go to Tweakbox app. Note down this link. This is a tweakboxapp.com. Tweakbox. Okay, so you can see the home page of the Tweakbox. What you have to do is install now. There is another option, a sideload box new, but it's just a web data. So you have to install it. Okay, now this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? So you have to just do it, allow, and the profile has been downloaded. Go back to the home screen and then setting and then general. Go back to the profile and device management, and then you can see a Tweakbox profile. So what you have to do is install, enter your password, install it. Okay, the Tweakbox has been installed here, where you can see this. Go to the Tweakbox. As you can see, this is apps, and you have to go, oh sorry, accept it. You have to go to Tweakbox app. This is the second option, Tweakbox apps. Okay, now maybe it is okay. So this is one good for you. So there's a two option for you if you have an iOS 12.2 or 12.2 point whatever below the versions. So Chimera jailbreak, this is also good. I have tried, but I really prefer to jailbreak your device with uncover, because I recently just my 6 jailbroken with the uncover, and it's a trustable application. So this is a 21.7 MB install app. What you can do is install it. Okay, now API tweakbox.com would like to install the uncovered jailbreak. Yeah, we know. Okay, so install it, and there you can see the application will be appear here. Yeah, it's here. Ready to download. Make sure you have a 50% or more battery. Just doing this, your whole process has been done. Let it be done. Now, this is my first video, guys, so support me, subscribe and like if you like it, or if you like the jailbreak community. Okay, so you can see the uncovered jailbroken application has been downloaded here, but you have to trust him. Yeah, trust it. So what you have to do is go back to settings, then general, profile and device management, and there you can see the uncover is verified. So what you have to do is just trust it. It's okay, you're trusting it. There's another, I've just downloaded the Spotify. So now you can see the application is open. Now you can see the bunch of things that are written up down here. Model is whatever, blah blah blah, machine name 10 point. Okay, so my system iOS, my device iOS is compatible and stable, where you can see there iOS 12.2 and it's stable. So let me give you some other information about these new software, new uncover application, because they give so much bunch of applications options here. Okay, so first you have to load the tweaks. I mean, there's time you might be install an unverified or maybe unsupported tweaks in your iPhone after just the jailbreak on your device, but it's not able to just wake up and rework your system or break down your system. You have to do what you have to do is just restore it by the iTunes, and then everything and gone lost your data and whatever you have. So this is one for you. So if you have that kind of trouble, you're gonna restart your device and then go back to this uncover jailbreak and just uncheck this, so you can reset, you can literally jailbreak your device but without any tweaks. So you can go back to the cydia and uninstall which application or which tweak is making some trouble in your devices. So okay, and there's another option I really like this most, restore root fs, I mean restore the root file system. So this is basically what it do. If you're going to check this and done, look at here, restore the root file system, I mean it will bring you back to the stock iOS. It will delete the cydia. I mean uncover jailbreak has been given much more option, but this one is fantastic and amazing because somehow you have to do delete cydia and then you going to Google surfing a lot how to delete cydia, how to remove it, how to re-jailbreak it, or how to unjailbreak it. But we have to do is just restore root fs. We are not going to do this. Okay, done. So what you have to do is open this and turn on the airplane mode and jailbreak. So it's exploiting kernel in your devices. Okay, the system snapshot has been successfully renamed. The device will now be restart. Okay, let's do it. The device will restart it. Didn't take too much time. Okay, we are on the way. Do not turn on or turn off airplane mode for a while. So go back to the uncover. Yeah, do it again. I mean it was a snapshot who take uncover and now it will finally jailbreak your device. Yeah. It will take a couple of minutes, not too much. Yes, there we go. You can see here jailbreak is completed, jailbreak complete with status. So you can see here somewhere cydia has been installed, but it doesn't matter, it's always almost installed. Then click OK. Okay, so now this device has respring it. Now you can see the cydia is here. Okay, the device is successfully jailbroken. Let me tell you, I mean let me show you my iOS version again so no one can say that this is not possible. There is it. It's a 12.2 but a 16E227 and it's really jailbroken. Open cydia app. Cydia. Everything will work fine if you follow these steps properly. Do not miss any step. Do not turn on aeroplane mode or off aeroplane mode while you are doing this whole process. Okay, so this is the repos that I like the most. I will make another video soon about this repo and the tweaks I like the most. I mean really like it every day when I use my iDevice. So read it. There's a bunch of repos and countless tweaks that will help you to customize your iPhone as you want. So today that's it. I will learn you how to jailbreak, uncover. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you like this video, or if you get some information in this video, please like, subscribe, comment if you want to know about anything. If you know about jailbreak, if you're going some kind of situation that might not be handled, or maybe your device has been break down, you can contact me. I will write my number and my email ID in the description below, and we will get back to you soon with the repos and the amazing tweaks. So goodbye.